Hi guys. I did this at the end of or part of last video was refreshing a phone case. I finished my other one. It's dry. It's in the house. This one dried, and then I decided I was going to embellish on top of it, and I started doing it. And then I thought, why am I not filming this? I told you guys I would. So here I am. I apologize for starting it without you. But here we go. I'm just using these acrylic markers from Paper Studio, uh, and they seem to be working just fine on here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I just decided to just do like a neurographic type thing on here. I may bring out some other markers and embellish it in a different way as well, but to start out, we're just going to do the neurographic stuff. And I'm just gently and quickly going around and making it all nice and smooth. I do have their finisher, their matte acrylic finisher, because I don't like it quite so shiny. I do like the more matte texture. So when I'm all done, I will give it a coat of that. It will protect it a little bit, and if these paint pens aren't the same finish as the paints themselves, then that will help that as well. Now, is this fully covered? No, it's not. Which is why I think I'm going to, after I'm done with the neurographic part, which shouldn't take too terribly long, I am going to come back in with a one of the other colors and maybe put some other kind of spludges on there and kind of hide some of that. Oh goodness, I forgot to bring my phone out here. It's in the house. Okay, well. Had a little chit chat with my son this afternoon. It wasn't his normal time to call, so I was a little concerned, but he said he noticed that I was home. Gave me a little rundown of how his weekend went. His company sent him to Alaska for the weekend, and he worked a whole lot of hours. He got like 6 hours sleep from Friday to Sunday. But that's all right. He's young. He can do those kinds of things. He gets overtime. It's all good. And I guess everything went really well, and they were pleased with his work. So, that's the important part. He was pleased with it. They were pleased with it. The outcome of whatever it was that they needed to do, which was not something I'm allowed to know about. I do not have the secret clearance. I am not top secret. Even if I was, he probably still wouldn't tell me, 'cause that is the nature of his job. There are things he's not allowed to say. That's fine. As long as I know where he is and that he's home safe, I'm okay with that. Gave him our upcoming schedule with travel and health stuff. My husband's going to get some sort of knee surgery, so I think my son's going to try to come home during his recovery so that in case my husband needs something that I am not physically strong enough to help him with, that my son will be here. That would be nice. Appreciate his wanting to do that. And then my friend scheduled her brother's funeral, so I worked on getting myself a day off of work for that. I do believe that was granted. My watch keeps buzzing at me because I'm a little too far away from my phone. So my watch keeps telling me that I am not connected to my phone. This looks like, I don't know what it looks like. It's a little bit much for me. But that's okay. We'll make do here. Everything gets a roundy corner. I need to work on a few things. Oh, there's so many things to do. We like to do a little bit of door decoration when we go on our cruises. I need to work on that. I have a little decor piece that we add every time we go on a cruise. We add the date, the ship name, and the date on there, so every time we take a cruise we can add to it. I think I want this bright pink. Kind of a blob. I don't know if the pink is the right vibe, but kind of seems right. That kind of breaks up some of those big spots. And I might put some white on there too, I think. Okay, a little of that, maybe a little yellow. Even on the yellow, that yellow's a different yellow. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's not so bad. I'm not mad at that. Let me see. Where's the white? Is there white? Did this not have a white? Oh, there's the white. Ha ha. Making all the white going exactly on the same side. The other ones I didn't do as much of that. All right. How is that? What does that look like? Does that tickle my fancy? Looks like a bunch of blobs of bubble gum, but that's okay. That's all right. We're happy with that. Why am I doing this? I don't know, but I feel like it needs something darker to contrast with the white on the opposite side of where the white is. Yep, for some reason it needed that. I don't know why. It just needed that. And then I'm going to, where's my backdrop thingy? I'm going to put, we're basically done. I'm going to make this for my thumbnail. I'll put it right there. Ready to go for the thumbnail. And then I'm going to throw a bit of this on top, but you don't have to see that. I'm going to do it off camera. Nothing that exciting. It's just a bunch of clear. All right, you guys go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. I have had a heck of a fun day today. Working on my luggage. It is outside drying. Check out my Instagram or my Facebook or my threads. It'll all get connected to the same post. For my luggage, because I can't bring it in here. It is too big. Other phone case. And I will work on texture tags on Tuesday. Jerry finally released a texture tag. It is not something I can do on video, so I'm going to do a short. I will create the things, and then I will just do a short thing of how I put the tag together. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to, I don't think I'm going to be able to, my brain. I'm not going to be able to show it, the whole process to you. You'll have to check out her channel for that. And I think that's it for today. All right. It is very late. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm never usually working this late in the afternoon. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.